3-in-1 magnetic USB charging cable available in 4 colors: blue, white, red, green. It includes 3 magnetic connectors to charge any phone, such as C-type charging port, iPhone charging port, or micro charging port for Android's phones. Why buy different charger when one charging cable can charge your all phone? It has ability to support fast charging. Insert the connector inside phone's charging port, then connect cable magnetically to charge the phone. Choose your favorite color, gives your room the beautiful night LED lighting.